What if I told you that the storm in your mind can disappear? Not with medicine, not with money, but with a simple bowl of oil? Stay with me, because this story might just change how you see your own thoughts. Long ago, in a lively riverside town, lived a young woman named Lena. To others, she looked normal. She smiled, worked, and talked. But inside, her mind never stopped running. Old regrets haunted her like shadows. Future worries wrapped around her chest like chains. At night, she tossed and turned. During the day, even laughter felt heavy. Her heart whispered, "Is there no way to find peace?" One morning, a neighbor told her, "By the river lives a monk. They say he once helped many people heal their minds. Now he lives quietly, but sometimes he still guides those who seek him." Lena went quickly to the small hut by the riverbank. There he was, an old monk sitting in silence, eyes half closed, breathing as calmly as the flowing river itself. With trembling voice, Lena spoke. "Master, my mind is a storm. I cannot stop the endless thoughts. I live in the past. I fear the future. Please, can you help me?" The monk slowly opened his eyes. His gaze was kind and steady. He smiled gently and said, "Child, if you truly want peace, you must first learn how to hold your mind steady. I will give you a task, not to test your body, but to show you your mind." He brought out a simple clay bowl, filled to the very edge with golden oil. Not a drop more could fit. The monk said softly, "Take this bowl. Walk through the marketplace until you reach the big banyan tree, and then return. But remember, if even a single drop spills, the task is not complete." Lena's eyes widened. Through the busy market? With so many people? Dogs, carts, children? The monk nodded. "Yes, do not rush. Do not fear, just walk and focus." Lena took the bowl in both hands. Her heart pounded. The marketplace was alive. Children laughing, merchants shouting, animals running. But Lena did not dare look around. Her entire world shrank into that trembling bowl of oil, step by step, breath by breath. Her eyes fixed on the surface, hands steady. Finally, after reaching the banyan tree, she returned and stood before the monk again. She held out the bowl, smiling with relief. "Master, here it is. I have done it. Not a single drop is lost." The monk looked at the bowl, then at Lena. His lips curved into a warm smile. "Good, but tell me, child, on your walk, did you hear the musicians playing by the tea shop? Did you notice the children chasing a kite? Did you see the sun painting the river in gold?" Lena blinked. "No, Master, I saw nothing. I heard nothing. My mind was only on the bowl." The monk nodded slowly. "That, my dear, is the secret. When your mind stays fully in the present, it has no space for regrets of the past, no room for fears of the future. You were not restless, not sad, not worried. You were simply here. Peace is not outside, it was inside you, waiting for you to notice." Tears welled in Lena's eyes. She bowed her head deeply and whispered, "Master, I finally understand. If I keep my mind in this moment, I can be free from the storm. This is peace." The monk smiled once more as the river reflected the evening sun. Birds flew back to their nests, and for the first time in years, Lena's heart felt light. And so, peace is not found in the world around us. It is found in the way we focus our mind. If this story touched you, give it a like. Share it with a friend who also struggles with restless thoughts. And hit subscribe for more inspiring stories to grow your English and your life. Stay present. Stay peaceful. Until the next story. Take care.